All right, thank you so much, Samia Dika, for that report. And our President William Ruto has awarded Her Highness Princess Zahra Aga Khan, the Elder of the Order of the Golden Heart of Kenya, EGH, in honor of her outstanding leadership in uplifting communities within Kenya and beyond. Now, during the investiture ceremony at State House, Nairobi on Friday, the President commended Princess Zahra's commitment to advancing health, education, and social development. Besides sitting on the board of the Aga Khan Development Network, Princess Zahra holds other senior posts in the organization. Among them is the Pro-Chancellor of the Aga Khan University. President Ruto capitalized on the opportunity to welcome the Aga Khan Group to partner with the government in delivering ongoing social projects such as the Affordable Housing Program and the Nairobi Rivers Regeneration Initiative. Now, thereafter, President Ruto departed for Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, to attend the 39th Ordinary Session of the African Union Assembly, where he is scheduled to engage in bilateral talks with various leaders to strengthen cooperation in key sectors.
Princess Zahra, through your stewardship of the Aga Khan Development Network, communities across Kenya and beyond have experienced the transformative power of strong institutions. Your leadership ensures that integrated health, education, and social development services reach millions, strengthening local systems and empowering families, particularly women and girls. Through my office, we have continuously pursued complementary initiatives that align closely with the transformative work of the Aga Khan Development Network. One of my key projects, the Voice of Children initiative, supports thousands of vulnerable children with education, nutrition, and safe spaces. Our clean cooking programs safeguard women's health, reduce household pollution, and foster climate-smart livelihoods, demonstrating how targeted interventions can empower communities and build lasting resilience.
This honor recognizes your outstanding leadership and sustained commitment to advancing health, education, and social development, pillars that are central to human dignity and shared progress. In August last year, I had the privilege of conferring upon His Highness Prince Rahim Al Hussaini Aga Khan V, the 50th hereditary Imam of the Shia Ismailiya Muslims, the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart, CGH, Kenya's highest civilian honor. That recognition affirmed his personal commitment and the Aga Khan Development Network's distinguished and long-standing service to the people of Kenya.